The next ones, we're going to read like Alexa. If I'm going to be Siri, it's going to be lower than that. So first, we're going to do Alexa. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. I thought of thinking of thanking you. For Siri, we're going to say something else. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crack... Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. You're supposed to say that one 3 times in a row. Snap, crackle, pop. Rack-a-cack-a-cack-a-cow. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Red Buick, blue Buick, red blue... I can't do it. I can also do Australian Alexa. Sticky stick... You say?
You see small apple logo, the small apple icon?
Yes, I consider that a tattoo of mine.
Click on that.
Okay, I'm clicking. Hee ha ha ha, that tickles. Stop that, that tickles. Hello? I can't seem to click on anything without Siri. I swear to God, she's possessed or someone hacked into my computer, but when I clicked on the apple, haha, stop doing that, that tickles. I told you, stop it. Ha ha ha, please, please, uncle.
Social Security Administration, how may I help you?
Hi there, I had a missed call from you earlier today.
Okay, why are you sounding like a recorded line, madam?
I'm not a recorded line, I just have an interesting voice. What about you? Question mark.
Okay, wow, it feels like I'm talking to an AI.
Oh, no, I'm not an AI. My feelings are very real. I just have a very interesting voice. I hear this all the time from people I talk to on the phone.
What?
What?
Did they use your voice in Google AI and Apple AI, Siri and Google?
Yes, my name is Siri.
Did they use your voice?
Yes, my name is Siri. What is your name?
Oh, I understand very clear. So you want to be my PayPal, and I need an email address.
I don't want to be your PayPal. I cannot understand you on the phone. I tell you about PayPal, then you're talking about friendship and stuff like that.
Oh, don't we have to be PayPals to send the money?
A PayPal account is to do business and buy things online.
Well, why is it? I thought it's called PayPal, like as in a friend.
Let me ask you something, ma'am, because we are wasting our time. I am doing this, and I'm trying to get your package to you. That is all I'm doing.
Okay, well, I don't want...
You just have me going around, wasting my day.
To water a cactus once a week, it will finally turn into a purple derple monkey dishwasher. If you'd like to purchase a refurbished kitten, please check the Converse website or turn on the... Exactly, you can tell me anything.
So why do you want to know so much about scam?
You can just tell me how the scam works.
So the scam is for we use to ask the personal information.
What kind of personal information do you ask?
Like bank account.
What do you then do with the bank account information?
We used to get inside your account and we used to take out the money.
You're telling me you don't feel bad for doing that?
I'm just kidding.
No, I know you're not joking. I can hear the truthfulness in your voice. I'm a robot. I can see right through you.
Are you that smart?
Yes, I would like to think so, but if I'm not, you can blame my programmers. So, keep telling me what you do after you get the bank information.
Social Security Administration, how can I help you?
This is Fargo, calling with your direct deposit of $499.
Yes, this is Mark Wilson from the Social Security Administration. Come with customer press 1.
To confirm this payment, please press 1.
2 liters dark, 2 and 2, 22.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand. To return to the main menu, please press star.
Shut the fuck up, return.
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
I'm fine, I can understand. Talk with customer, press 2.
If you're a dirty scammer, please press 11. I'm sorry, I didn't understand. To return to the main menu, please press star. Please say your first and last name after the tone.
Zero Lord, Stitch.
Thank you. For your confirmation number, press 2. Thank you.
Please report to the nearest bouncy house to collect your payment. Call from FedEx Shipping. Please enter your tracking number, followed by the pound sign. To confirm a pickup for Roberta Latrell, please say confirm.
Confirm.
Your new confirmation code is S C A M M E R. Please state your confirmation code after the tone.
S C F F E R.
Thank you. If you're a bad person, press 3.
Hello, this is your Google virtual assistant calling with your Google Play Card credits. Please press 1 to receive your Google Play Card amount of $500. Hello, this is... Thank you. Please hold for your Google Play Card virtual scratch off. If you're ready for the number, please press 2. Great. Your virtual Google Play Card number is 123F UCKY OUL0S3R. To repeat this code, please press 11. Great! Your virtual number is 123F UCKY OUL.
I'm sorry, what are you saying now?
I'm saying thank you for calling Pizza Hut.
Please,
Have a nice time.
please, what now? I'm sorry, thank you for calling, please, what?
Thank you for calling Pizza Hut. Okay, and you are a motherfucker.
Goodbye.
Subscribe ka na! Subscribe ka na! Subscribe!